Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in product recommendations. Today, we're talking about the best medium support crossback sports bra you'll find on the market, the Running Girl Sports Bra for women. Let's dive into why this standout activewear piece is winning hearts and workouts across the board. First things first, this sports bra is made for movement. Whether you're flowing through vinyasas, pounding the pavement on a run, or lifting in the gym, this bra is designed to move with you, not against you. With a blend of 75% nylon and 25% spandex, it offers the perfect combination of durability, flexibility, and comfort. The fabric is smooth to the touch and infused with lycra, which not only helps retain its shape but also gives you that supportive, stretch-fit feel throughout your workout. Now let's talk design. One of the first things you'll notice about this bra is the criss-cross back. It's not just a pretty detail, although yes, it does look incredibly stylish. This design offers extra back support without adding bulk. The open back also helps with ventilation, so even during intense sessions, you'll stay cooler and drier. And if you've struggled with sports bras that feel restrictive, this one is a game changer. The straps stay in place, but they don't dig in, letting you twist, turn, and stretch with total freedom. One thing that's especially great about this sports bra is that it comes with removable cups. So if you're looking for a little extra shape or modesty, it's got you covered. And despite repeated washes, users report it keeps its form and softness over time, a solid win for longevity. As for support, this is a medium support bra, which makes it ideal for activities like yoga, spinning, strength training, or brisk walking. It's not meant for high-impact sports like running or HIIT for larger busts, but it holds its own remarkably well in most daily workouts. Another feature worth highlighting is the elastic closure. Instead of the traditional hook and eye or zip, the elastic band offers secure compression while still being super easy to slip on and off. It hugs your ribcage just right, without riding up or rolling down, and it stays put during movement, even during longer sessions. Comfort is where this bra truly shines. The cotton-like material feels incredibly soft against the skin, not slippery or scratchy like some synthetic fabrics. Whether you're wearing it on its own or under a tank, it feels good for hours on end. And the price? At just $16.49, it's one of the most budget-friendly options in its category without skimping on features. You're getting performance, style, and comfort all wrapped into one, and that's rare at this price point. So if you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and supportive bra for your next yoga class or gym session, the Running Girl Sports Bra absolutely deserves a place in your wardrobe. It's the kind of bra you'll end up reaching for again and again, and probably picking up in a few more colors too. That's all for today's review. If you've tried this bra or have another favorite in the medium support category, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next product critique. See you in the next one.